What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and right now we just packed up camp and now we're heading over to Fort Tuthill to Flagstaff to check out Overland Expo. So let's hope we can see some cool stuff, and if we see any third gen Colorado canyons out there, yeah, let's get into today's video. Well, everybody, kind of goofed up at Expo. Didn't film a lot of things. I didn't want to be that annoying YouTuber that shows a camera in everybody's face. So I just kind of got some cool clips of some cool rides I thought were pretty rad. So I'll let those roll right now. Alright, babe, what do we got here?
There's fucking money bags over
We
here.
got a shower awning and we got 2 chairs, so it's pretty sick. We're gonna go drop.
Caitlin approved, crochet approved. You can crisscross applesauce on the chair.
23-0 chairs and shower awning. You'll see it on the channel. So right on. All right, babe. How was Expo for you?
Amazing. Loved it.
Did you have fun? You see any cool trucks?
Yeah.
What are you excited about the most?
My chair.
Your chair? Caitlin's chair? Yeah, those chairs are pretty awesome. So we had some fun out there. Finley had some fun, and yeah, I don't know what to say. It's a pretty fun time. As you can tell, there was a lot of Tacomas out there. Piles of turds, let's just say. Saw a couple gmccanyon AT4Xs, which was pretty rad, but not a lot of Colorados. I wish I could have been at the booth, but I was just there having fun. But I got a couple awesome things at the expo that I'm going to show you right now. So, starting off, got this super awesome 23-0 chair. Got 2 for 200 bucks, which is a fire deal. And this thing's comfy. Just got a little cup holder right here, you know, nice little cup holder. And the chair is nice chair. Alright, like I was saying in the video, got the super sweet 23-0 shower awning, which I'm really excited to use. We got that, and then since last week's video, we got the traction boards mounted up there. We got the 2 cases up front right there. So those are just some Amazon cheapy cases. And then let me show you guys something special. Dang, look at that thing. So a homie gave me this right here. The Wilco Off-Road rear tire swing out. Okay, so I didn't get this puppy at Expo, but I got this from a homie. He just gave it to me for free until maybe shout out Rigged. Hopefully Rigged hooks it up with a rear tire swing out. This is the Wilco Off-Road one. And I got my big old 35 1250 Falcon MT on my Method 17 by 8.5 0 offset 315 wheel right there. So got that all mounted up. Swing this guy open. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Got this, and then I just installed this today. This is actually a Jeep back door table, but we got it to work. It's a little wobbly, so we gotta do something about that pretty soon. Swing this out. Boom. So we got our cutting board, we got our grill. Throw this down. And we got like a little L type of deal right here. So really trying to dial in the camping setup, kitchen setup, and all that. So right now we're starting off right now. So eventually we're gonna get like a fridge slide from New Ground Off-Road. Hopefully I'll be able to get you guys a discount with like the IceCo fridges. But we're working on that right now. Spent a lot of money at Expo. So IceCo fridge coming soon. So yeah, it's pretty rad. I'm digging it. Going camping this weekend, so we're really gonna be able to use the new swing out to grill setup, which is pretty sweet. Let's throw this back up. And boom. And all we do is swing this guy. It's a little old, so you kind of got to slime everything. Boom. All done. I'll put away. It's a little wiggly. I did tighten the sandwich pin down there, but it's a Wilco Off-Road. Maybe Westcott Designs. I don't know. Even though he's a Toyota guy, if he hooks it up with a rear tire swing out, it'll be badass. He might change my mind on the new Tacomas. He hooks it up, but yeah, this is what we got right here. And then let me go get you my shower, my camp shower. Yeah, my camp shower, I showed you guys in the video, I'm pretty sure, but we got that. We're gonna try it out this weekend with the new shower awning. It's pretty rad. So yeah, we're gonna try this at camp, but let's deploy the shower awning for you guys. I'll show you guys that. All right, so the shower awning's pretty badass. All we gotta do is unzip this puppy, flip this up, undo these guys, like so. Swing that down. Pull this guy out right there. Pull this guy out right there. It's a little staticky. Just gotta pull it out real quick. Boom. It's a little windy right now. It comes with stakes and everything, so you can stake it down. All right, set down. Set it down. You're just gonna pull this lever in, like this one too, like that. Click that guy in. I'm gonna grab the end here, and you're gonna just roll it up like this. Just like that. Boom. You're gonna grab your straps. Strap it down. Strap it down. Just like that. And then just gonna zip it up. You got your shower set up right there. That's a couple things I got from Expo. Really stoked. I got 2 of those chairs, that and the geyser shower system, and the homie hooked it up with the Wilco Off-Road swing out, and yeah, I'm excited to go camping this weekend. I'm gonna have a lot of fun. Gonna test out the new kitchen, so it's gonna be fun. Alright guys, so that's about it for today's video. I'm sorry that I kind of goofed and didn't get you guys a lot of stuff at Overland Expo West, but I saw a couple of you guys and I had so much fun hanging out with you guys, talking trucks and whatnot. You guys are awesome. So make sure to check out my website, DOWNTIMELOST.com. Go support your boy. We have some merch on there. We're actually about to release some more merch pretty soon. Some really cool stuff. My fiance is designing it. Yeah, make sure to go to DOWNTIMELOST.com so we can help Finley pay for his dog food. And yeah, follow me on Instagram, DOWNTIMELOST.com. Check it out. I love you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. Peace out. Bye.